Want to add traffic light icons to your Excel data to quickly spot trends? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use conditional formatting traffic lights in Excel. Step by step. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. Here, we have some data. In column A, we have 5 different tasks. In column B, we have the completion percentage of each task. We want to add traffic lights to each completion percentage, to give us a visual for each task. For this example, we'll use whole numbers instead of percentages. It's a simpler way to apply traffic lights, especially if you're working with progress values, or other data that doesn't need to be shown as a percentage. First, highlight the cells containing the numbers that you want to add the traffic lights to. From your Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. Go down to Icon Sets, and click on the traffic light icons. This will add the traffic lights to the left of your percentage values. Next, we want to adjust what values get which color. Once again, click on Conditional Formatting. Drop down, and click on Manage Rules. Click on your rule to highlight it. And choose Edit Rule. Next, change the type from percent to number. This is important because percent bases the icons on relative values, meaning Excel will compare all your data and apply icons based on percentages of the range. But by using number, you can set fixed thresholds, like 80 for green, 50 for yellow, and anything below 50 for red. This gives you more precise and consistent control over your traffic lights. Next, enter the following values. 80 for green. This will change any value 80 and above to green. 50 for yellow. This will change any value between 50 and 80 to yellow. This will automatically set anything below 50 to red. Click OK. Click Apply. And then OK. And that's it. You now know how to use conditional formatting traffic lights in Excel, using whole numbers. If you'd like to see how to do this using percentages instead, just drop a comment below, and let me know. I'd be happy to create a follow-up video for you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.